LeanBiome review. LeanBiome, what is it? LeanBiome, a new weight loss solution, includes beneficial strains of gut bacteria that work quickly to shed pounds. The combination of beneficial and bad bacteria in your digestive tract is balanced with it, reducing cravings and increasing energy. LeanBiome, available from Lean for Good, is a dietary supplement designed to facilitate weight loss and maintenance. One of our doctors developed this miracle diet medication. Probiotics, prebiotics, green tea extract, and other natural components make it simpler to digest food, which in turn aids weight loss. How LeanBiome work in human body? The first step of the LeanBiome program is a detoxification that removes built-up toxins, free radicals, and oxidative stress. It improves your blood flow so that your body can start burning fat on its own. If you want your metabolism to speed up, adding the lean bacteria found in it to your gut microbiome is a great idea. The process of burning fat quickly in the body is triggered, and fat storage is drastically reduced. Using LeanBiome, you won't feel as hungry as you normally would, and you won't eat as much as you otherwise would. It speeds up the conversion of carbs into usable energy and prevents the body from consuming excess calories. It uses DR capsules, which stand for delayed release. This means that the LeanBiome capsules don't start dissolving until they reach your stomach acid. The acid-resistant coating on the capsule protects the beneficial bacteria inside from being neutralized by stomach acid. About LeanBiome, a recent study at the prestigious King's College London looked at 3,600 sets of twins, where one was lean and the other overweight. The scientists were shocked to find that the lean twins benefited from a rich and diverse gut microbiome packed full of lean bacteria, species that help to suppress hunger, dampen cravings, fire up the metabolism, and reduce fat storage. On the flip side, the gut microbiome of the overweight twins was less diverse, and dominated by a few species of fat bacteria that was shown to ramp up hunger, fuel uncontrollable cravings, freeze the metabolism, and increase fat storage. Our key research-backed ingredients. Lean bacteria Lactobacillus gasseri. In a 12-week clinical trial published in the esteemed British Journal of Nutrition, Japanese scientists recruited 210 overweight volunteers and divided them into two groups. The first group drank milk which included a species of lean bacteria, called Lactobacillus gasseri. The placebo group drank only the milk. Fast forward just 12 weeks, and the L. gasseri group had lost, on average, a whopping 8.5% of belly fat. For the typical American woman weighing 170 pounds, that's a loss of 15 pounds of stubborn fat in just 3 months, doing nothing else. Added to that, the study found that the participants had significantly reduced their overall body weight, BMI, and waist size, as well as the amount of dangerous visceral fat around their organs. Crucially, the control group who didn't take L. gasseri showed no changes at all. Even better, when the L. gasseri group stopped drinking the milk and came back 1 month later for a follow-up, the scientists were shocked to discover that the fat loss stopped too, and their weight, BMI, waist size, and visceral fat had begun to climb again, proving how effective this species really is at curbing appetite and cravings, firing up the metabolism, and reducing fat storage. Lean bacteria Lactobacillus rhamnosus, in a recent clinical study at the University of Laval in Canada, also published in the British Journal of Nutrition, scientists gave a group of overweight women another lean bacteria species called Lactobacillus rhamnosus. The other half received a placebo. At the end of the 12-week study, the L. rhamnosus group had lost an average of 9.7 pounds of fat, twice as much as the placebo group. Lean bacteria Lactobacillus fermentum, in another clinical trial that took place at the University of Manitoba, Winnipeg, Canada, and later published in the Journal of Functional Foods, a third lean bacteria species called Lactobacillus fermentum produced a 3% drop in body fat in just 43 days, compared to just 1% for the placebo group. In other words, this species tripled the level of fat loss in just 6 weeks, despite both groups eating the exact same diet. Green Select Phytosome. Green tea is clinically shown to rebalance the gut microbiome and therefore help to suppress hunger, dampen cravings, fire up the metabolism, and reduce fat storage, meaning those excess pounds fall off without you even realizing what's happening. And Green Select Phytosome helps do this better than any type of green tea you can imagine. In a clinical trial published in the Journal of Alternative Medicine, 50 overweight men and women were given 300 mg per day of Green Select phytosome and put on a calorie-controlled diet. The other 50 trial participants were put only on the diet. After 90 days, the average weight loss in the Green Select phytosome group was an incredible 30 pounds. Compared to just 11 pounds for the diet-only group. That's almost 3 times as much weight loss for the green tea group in those 90 days. How amazing are those results? Think about it. Just one of those ingredients would be enough to achieve fast and sustained fat loss. But imagine if you were to combine all of them, in the clinically studied dosages, and then add 6 more research-backed, lean bacteria species to strengthen and accelerate the results even further. Well, that's exactly what we've done. Which is why our customers are experiencing spectacular results. And this is your chance to join them, so you can become naturally lean too. How safe is LeanBiome? This formula is appropriate for vegetarians and vegans and free of gluten, sugar, nuts, soy, crustaceans, and dairy. It is guaranteed pure and free of GMOs and BPAs. This is because LeanBiome is produced in a cutting-edge and good manufacturing practices certified CGMP facility in the USA, ensuring the purest product devoid of any potential contaminants. LeanBiome is a cutting-edge, climate-controlled, and GMP-certified facility. Right here in the USA, LeanBiome is painstakingly created and stored. To ensure the finest, purest, and most potent product imaginable, this provides the strictest standards regarding quality control. Final thoughts. LeanBiome reviews. Do you experience unexplained weight gain? Do you still have trouble losing those extra pounds despite your best efforts? LeanBiome can be a unique formula to address the root reasons for weight gain and help reduce body fat. This supplement is also featured on USA Today, Yahoo, App, MarketWatch, Fox News, Digital Journal, Business Insider, and Ask.com. Daily Mail Herald. Regardless of the package you select, you'll be ecstatic with the results you achieve, that the creator giving you a full 6 months to try LeanBiome risk-free. Contact my helpful customer support staff if you decide to change your mind for any reason, and they'll refund your money in full, no questions asked, because your purchase is under the template level 180 day, which is why your order is backed by the following 0.180 day, empty bottle, money-back guarantee. I'm so confident you'll be head over heels thrilled with the results. You get that I'm giving you a full 6 months to try LeanBiome for yourself. Completely risk-free, regardless of the package you choose. If you change your mind for any reason at all, simply contact my friendly customer support team. And they'll refund 100% of the purchase price, no questions asked. Contact details will be on the packaging. Again, if for any reason you don't enjoy the kind of life-changing fat loss and all-round health improvements you hoped for, you have a full 6 months to let us know. We will still refund every penny, even if you've swallowed every last capsule. So there really is nothing to lose by putting LeanBiome to the test today, and a leaner, happier, healthier future to gain. Go ahead and select your savings from the options below, and you too could become naturally lean. Thanks for reading, and I can't wait to hear all about your transformation. Real people, real results. Click link in the description and get 50% discount only for today.